A night at the theater. What a fantastic performance. Thank you for inviting me to the musical. You are welcome. I'm happy you enjoyed the show. The choreography of the dancers was incredible. It reminds me of when I used to dance. I know. You were such a talented ballerina. Do you miss dancing? Oh, that's very kind of you, John. I do miss it sometimes, but I will always be a fan of the arts. That's why I love going to musicals, because it's the perfect combination of song, dance, and theater. Absolutely. I'm glad you are still an art fan too. Thank you for the invitation. It's always a pleasure to attend an arts event with you and learn something new. Taking a vacation. I just bought a ticket to New York City. I'm so excited to see the city. Good for you. Traveling is so much fun. I love discovering new places and new people. When are you leaving? Next week. I'm taking the red eye. It was cheaper. Hopefully, I'll be able to sleep on the plane. I wish I could go with you. New York City is a magical place. You will have so much fun. I hope so. I'm going to visit my brother who lives there. I will stay for a week and then take the train down to Washington, D.C. That sounds like a great vacation. I'm looking forward to a week at the beach for my summer vacation. I just want to relax. Red eye. When discussing airplane travel, a red eye is a flight that leaves at night to arrive early the next morning. This is in reference to how red your eyes become when you don't get a full night's sleep.